Hi lovely people, together with me Dimas Yunani at Culinary channel. Today I will show you how to cook simple Indonesian gulai curry soup. What I did is 1 sachet seasoning mix we can find in Asian market. I use red lamb 1.5 kilo. I use coconut milk 500 milliliter. I use paprika smoke, garlic 1 teaspoon, paprika smoke 1 teaspoon, lemongrass 1, fresh onion, and we use water 600 milliliter. Alright, first we add olive oil 1 tablespoon. Now we add instant seasoning mix for gulai curry soup. We stir. Smell very nice. This is authentic seasoning Indonesian. Now time to add 1.5 kilo lamb. Lovely. Now we add coconut milk 500 milliliter. Stir a bit. Exactly, we need time almost 1 hour to make this gulai soup done and delicious. Why today I introduce you to make simple Indonesian gulai soup? Because sometimes we have homesick with Indonesian dish, and I just go to Asian market to buy a simple thing in sachet, and everything will be okay. You stir. Now we add water 600 milliliter. Lovely. We add 1 lemongrass, garlic 1 teaspoon, paprika smoke 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, because we have salt already in seasoning mix. Lovely. Black pepper half teaspoon, and we stir. Lovely. Don't forget subscribe, like, share, and comment. Make our channel, Athena channel, will be grow up and always come to your house every time you need. Thank you. Right? You stir. Don't leave it. This soup we have bubble. We always stir every 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You can see till 1 hour. This is Indonesian delicious dish. Indonesian gulai curry soup. Lovely. Now we add fresh onion. Lovely. Alright. And we stir it again. Alright, lovely people. This everything's ready. 1 hour already. Now time to plating. Kalareksi, bon appetit. Selamat makan. Don't forget subscribe, like, share, and comment. Make Athena channel. Alright, lovely people. Indonesian Gulai curry is ready. I prepare with rice. On top of rice, give fried onion. See, lovely. So delicious. Bon appetit. Kalareksi. Selamat makan. Salam Indonesia.